Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking another one of my videos. Yes, this is another wig detangling video. How to detangle your synthetic wigs for good. Let's transform this wig from looking like this to this. I absolutely love this transformation. So this wig is straight synthetic and I absolutely love the color because you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. So let me show you exactly the secret to achieving a detangled synthetic wig. This technique requires absolutely no products. All you need are shearing scissors or thinning scissors and a hairbrush. So working section by section throughout the wig, I'm going to brush out the wig from tip to roots, detangling the wig, and then I'm going to take my shearing scissors and cut maybe 4 or 6 sections, depending on how much you want to cut off, down the length of the wig. And then taking the same hairbrush, I'm going to brush out the excess hair from tip to root. Guys, you can already see that the wig is being revitalized and is tangle free, so I'm going to twist that up and then move on to the next section and do the exact same thing. And in case this is your first detangling video you're coming across of mine, I'm just going to give you a quick explanation as to why this trick works and why it will never really fail. So with human hair or human hair wigs, the hair strands are not actually straight all the way through. They have breaks in them. Now when you buy a synthetic wig, especially out of the box, they rarely have those breaks in their strands. They are super straight all the way down at equal lengths. So when you cut into different sections of your hair with shearing scissors and create those layers, it means your brush can go through easily through those breaks, just as it would a human hair wig or human hair. And that is literally the secret behind why this trick always works. And I always try to do this trick as soon as I get the hair out of the box, but for this wig, I guess I didn't really feel the need to. But over time, the wig was becoming hard to brush, so that's why I am doing this process, so that it can stop tangling. So I've done half of my head and I'm going to do the rest off camera. And this is what it looks like when I've done all of my head. So I'm going to untwist my hair and then brush it out. Look at how amazing this hair looks, guys. You wouldn't think this was synthetic. I mean, maybe you would from the front, but like, you know, once it's all styled and everything, you really wouldn't think that it's synthetic hair strands because, I mean, the color is amazing and the way it flows and is just absolutely beautiful and easy to brush through. You would really think this is not a synthetic wig. Oh, and by the way, I will link the wig below. It was from Amazon and it was super affordable. So there we are, guys. My wig is now tangle free and will remain tangle free for honestly quite a few years, because a lot of my wigs I've had for over 3 years now and they are still going strong. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video or if it helped you, please do like, comment and share and spread the word. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.